Hello, welcome to Elio Tech. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to create Gmail or email with your smartphone. Very easy. The first thing you need to do is to click on your Gmail or email app. It's going to take you to this particular page. If you have an existing account, you can log in here. But if you don't have an existing account, you can click on create account for you to create. So our main purpose here is for us to create new accounts. So what we need to do now is for us to click on the create account. So when you click on the create account, they will ask you personal account or business account. So my topic today is to create personal account. My topic today is to create personal account. So I will click on the personal account or personal user. So it will load. So they will answer your first name and last name. So you can choose any name that you want to put. You can choose any name that suits you. So let me put my first name. And my last name. So and after you have done that, you click on next. So you choose your date of birth, the month, the day and the year, and your gender. So let me choose my month now. I will choose April. So don't choose anyone that you know that like you are good of. The month that don't choose anyone that you know that you love. Just put 02 and the year 2000. So your gender, you can put female or male. So for me, I will put male and click next. So they will bring suggestion for you. eliotech@gmail.com, eliotech@gmail.com. So they'll bring different example for you. So, but if you don't like it, you can click on create your own address. Means the last one. If you don't like the option that they bring, the two options that they bring, you can click create your own address, the last one, number 3. But for me, I love the first one that they bring, so I will use the first one, the Elio Tech. So I will click on it and tap next. So they will ask for password. So now it's for me to put my password now. So when you have done putting your password, you click on next. So say repeat your account info. You can now use this email address to sign in later. So click on next again. Scroll up. When you scroll up, click on agree. You see I agree. Click on it. I agree. Very easy and very simple to create. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share so that more people too will learn from the video too. Your own phone may not take long like this. So let me show you the Gmail that I just create now. So click on the I have existing email before, so let me just show you the particular email I just create now. Look at here, the last. So this is the Gmail I just created now, eliotech@gmail.com. So it's Eliotech. But if this particular Gmail is your first time of you creating Gmail in this particular app, they will not show all the Gmail. So I have more than one Gmail, for that is why I need to click on that first icon that you first see. That is why I first click on this icon. So this is my own Gmail that I'm using now. So for me to click or for me to go into that particular new Gmail that I just created now, so I will need to click on this place on the right, E, or this icon that is showing E. So I need to click there. So when I click there, because I have more than one email in my phone, so I will scroll and go to the last one, Eliotech. Yeah, it's Eliotech. So I will click on it and of the pen. Wow, congrats to myself and congrats to me. So this is the new email or Gmail I just created. Very easy and very easy to create. So if this video find value to you, please subscribe, like and share. Hope to see you in my next video. God bless.